wanted to ask Americans and essentially people from developed countries that do you guys go to Ivy League colleges or the prestigious institutes in your country, or do you go somewhere else? Like if you are a student and your parents have connections in Harvard, like they're a professor or they're a founding member or something, will you go to Harvard or will you go to maybe some place in Switzerland, or not just Switzerland, let's just change the scenario. Will you go to Harvard or not? Because see, the thing in India is we have these up and coming universities like Ashoka, OP Jindal, and the founding members of these universities, their children are going to Brown, Harvard, Yale. So I'm just questioning, if you are promoting these private universities and then there are campuses of international universities, like for instance, I'm just giving a hypothetical example, that they plan on setting up a UCLA or NYU campus in India. So as an Indian, I'm just not able to understand this, I'm not able to grasp this. Why cannot I have a good institution in my own country, so that I don't have to look for education elsewhere? My family is not related to any university, but just a hypothetical example, anyone from, I'm from Delhi University, so anyone, and if my parents were a founding member of Delhi University, for instance, I can assure you, they won't send me to Delhi University, and it's deemed as a good university. Any Indian whose child is, is in, related to that university, I'm giving you an example, they won't send their children to their university. So I'm just trying to understand, does that happen elsewhere, or is it just limited to India and underdeveloped countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, maybe Asian countries, or who knows, man. Please let me know, because I have a number of examples to show.